DunnZWorld. I'm done. If you're new here, I'm gonna give you a kiss, give you a hug, and tell you welcome. You'll love it here, and if you're returning, welcome back, fam. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys 4 extremely comfortable sneakers, but they're also affordable too. So if you're on the hunt looking for some sneakers that look good, feel good, and they're affordable, you clicked on the right video, baby. Whether you're hitting the streets, running errands, or just looking to step your sneaker game up this fall season without overspending, I've got you covered. All right, I got you covered. No need to look any further. Okay, so you already know what you need to do. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you stay in the loop whenever I post a video. Go ahead and like, comment, and share this video. And without further ado, let's get into it. So the first sneaker that we have here is the New Balance Crimson Classics, in which I did do a review on these some time back, so I'll have that tagged above. These are a perfect everyday sneaker if you want something timeless but eye-catching. The cushioning is incredible. These will keep you comfortable without sacrificing style. If you want something classic but still unique, these are the way to go. These sneakers right here are literally something that's versatile, which honestly, all these sneakers that I'm about to get into are versatile. You can wear these sneakers and style these sneakers any kind of way. Casual, streetwear casual, even if you just are stepping outside just to go pick up some groceries or grab something to eat or go on a date. There's so many different ways that you can style these sneakers. But this is sneaker number 1. We're going to go ahead and get off into sneaker number 2. So the next pair of sneakers that we have here is another pair of New Balance sneakers, and these are the 9060s. I have them in the sea salt style. One of the coolest retro futuristic designs out right now. I mean, these sneakers have done a complete 360 in how they have came out with all types of colorways. All right, these sneakers are chunky with the bold aesthetic. The absorb cushioning makes every step feel like you're walking on air, and the suede mesh combo gives them a premium look. All right, these sneakers comfort is top tier. I've worn these sneakers with almost any and everything, especially when it goes to traveling or when it comes to traveling. These have definitely been my go-to sneaker. All right, so as you can tell, I definitely done wore the heck out of these. The bottom of them are dirty. I need to clean them honestly, but these sneakers are definitely in my rotation as far as go-to sneakers goes. But with that being said, we're going to get off into sneaker number 3. So we have the Asics Clay Canyon here, which I did a review on these as well. I have that tag above. Now this is your go-to sneaker, just as the 9060s are the sneakers that I would usually grab when it's time to travel, just walking around in the airport. I would need something comfortable on my feet. These are definitely my next option. These have been my second go-to when it comes to traveling and just walking around, and especially if I know I'm gonna be on my feet a lot. It's between these and the 9060s for certain. All right, this is your go-to sneaker for sure. Serious comfort and performance. It has a rugged design but very lightweight. That's the other thing that I really love about these sneakers. They're not heavy on your foot. These are very lightweight versus the 9060s. They are not that much so of lightweight. They have a little bit of weight to them. The cushioning in the sole of this sneaker is immaculate. I mean, these are built for function and fashion. All right, so you can style these any type of way, just as you could with the 9060s and the New Balance Crimson Classic. You can style these same sneakers any type of way, rather it's for casual, rather it's for streetwear fashion, or if you're just looking for a sneaker to grab, just run out and get things done, run errands. These are definitely a go-to as well. All right, so these are sneaker number 3. We're going to get off into sneaker number 4. So last but not least, we have the Nike Sakai's. These were gifted to me. I did not purchase these. I never really had a feel for the Nike Sakai's. I actually bought a pair for my wife, in which she really liked those, and I thought they were fly, but I didn't see a full interest in them for myself, so to speak. But when I did get those, when they were gifted to me, let me tell you, like, I was extremely grateful and appreciative just off of the gist of the fact that these sneakers are so different. Look at these sneakers. Probably the most innovative and eye-catching sneaker in this lineup. Sakai's collaboration with Nike brings together a bold design and comfort like no other. The double layer sole, as you can see, layered upper exterior gives it that standout look, but also very comfortable, right? Like I said, I wear these sneakers a lot, especially when I'm running errands. These are my running errand sneakers. If I need something to throw on, these are the sneakers I'm probably going to wash my car, or going to do grocery shopping, or going to get the dog some food, or going to the mailbox, or just whatever. These are my go-to sneakers, all right? These are great if you're looking for a sneaker that's more fashion forward but still practical for everyday wear. These sneakers have a very distinctive colorway, which is blue, and is my favorite color, all right? So blue, you could do a lot with blue just based off of the fact that this is something that can go with denim wear. This is something that can go with black. This is even something that can go with sweats, gray, khaki. You could do a lot with these pair of sneakers, all right? So not just fashion too, right? Because we already know that these are a very fashionable shoe, but also the comfort, because these shoes are comfortable and you can get a lot done in these sneakers, all right? So those are the 4 sneakers for my lineup, all right? With that being said, let's get back to the rest of the video. So those are all 4 sneakers, guys. I really tried my damnness to get those Adidas Sambas. I could not find them in my size, and it's crazy, y'all. It's so crazy because I bought my wife a pair, and at that time I should have thought to buy myself a pair, but I was just like, I don't want them, I don't need them, you know, like it just didn't dawn on me. I was just like, dang, man. Now that I think about it, I wish I would have got them, because I literally have been searching for these sneakers, because I want these sneakers. I wanted to, 1, do a review on those sneakers, but 2, I wanted to add it to my lineup of sneakers for my upcoming vacation. But I was unsuccessful, guys. I was so unsuccessful. So I had to stick to the trusty dusty all white Air Forces. But if I would have purchased those Adidas Sambas, they definitely would have been a part of this lineup, because I've heard great things about those Adidas Sambas, and they're very cheap. I mean, they're $100, y'all. $100. So of these sneakers, I will have to say that the Asics are my all-time favorite. Super light, y'all. Oh my goodness, like those sneakers, and they go with so many things that I have, especially when it comes to the type of outfits that I will wear when I'm traveling. Oh my goodness, like cannot go wrong with those Asics. And I feel like the colorways that I pick with all of those sneakers are so crucial. Like they could get pieced with a lot of the things that I have, even if it's not an exact match to a specific color to a T. It still just goes, if that makes sense, all right? So the Crimson Classics were $132. The New Balance 9060s ran me about $180, and this is when they first came out, because I had those since like last year sometime. Asics were about $122, and as far as the Nike Sakai's, I'm unsure, because like I said, those were gifted to me, but if I had to guess, I'd probably say maybe $175. I don't know, right? I don't know. But that's just guesstimate. I'm not for certain how much those cost, but for the most part, all of these sneakers are affordable and they're extremely comfortable, all right? When you think about purchasing sneakers, or any type of shoe of that rather, you are going for something that will mainly go with a lot of what you already have in your closet. Sometimes you may pick a sneaker because you like how it looks, or because you've heard good things about the shoe, or whatever. And so you kind of would buy outfits to go with that sneaker. But for me, I try to buy sneakers that go with what I already have. That way I'll have better longevity with my clothes, because I can wear them more now that I have shoes that can go with them. So I try to go for neutral colors, colors that fit, like what I said, what's already in my closet. Your blacks, your blues, your tans, your coppers, even red, white, of course, cream, beige. So that's the colorway I kind of go for as far as sneakers. And sometimes I'll go for something kind of wild, maybe a green sneaker, or maybe even, I don't even have a yellow sneaker. Actually, I take that back. I do have the Yeezy Net Runners, but that's not a sneaker. That's more so of a boot. But I guess I need to add a yellow and an orange sneaker to my rotation of sneakers, huh? In which I was looking at numerous other sneakers, because they have other New Balances too, and other Asics that I'm very much so interested in. But I don't want to have too many of them. I don't want to have too many and go too crazy, because I know how I can get when it comes to just buying sneakers. And y'all, I have a lot, okay? Sometimes I try to trick myself into thinking that I don't have a lot of shoes, but then I look and I'm like, dang, it's a lot of stuff. Because the way that I think about it, if it's not something that I can just pick up all in one, like pick up all together and kind of go, if I needed to like move really fast from this house, then it's a lot of shit. and I do have a lot of shit, all right, and that's just me. But I'm not gonna ramble on any further, all right. Gave you guys some really comfortable sneakers along with the prices, along with just some different specs on these sneakers as far as where they could be worn at, how you could style them, and things of that sort. So you already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that notification bell, that way you stay in the loop whenever I post a video. Go ahead and like, comment, and share this video, and as always, fam, peace.
One time like, two time like, me pop money. Say let me put you in position for the acquisition of some major paper. I'm just dipping, we ain't even tripping. You could thank me later. Sauce and dripping, hoe I'm finger licking, serving different flavors. See me flicking while I'm chasing chicken, flying on some acres. Old school weed, sending nothing but some G's. Any food pack of top papers, about to put some peas in it. Twerk it for me, baby, and make sure you put your knees in it. I got leg room, I could probably fit your knees in it. What y'all know about that country shit from by the river's edge? Thought I told you colder than a winter out in Winnipeg. Popping like you better be when you the proper pedigree. Blowing sweet and sour while I'm chewing on that sesame. Know that God blessing me so they can't get the best of me. Sometimes he be testing me so I perfect my recipe. Cocoa butter cutter, got it cracking at the crib. We some ghetto boys now, nigga lacking where I live. I might ride around my side of town, I'm flexing, feeling fancy. Just filled up my stomach, I got extra in the pantry. Getting top and winning, still no, I don't need no plan B. Only give a fuck about my freedom and my family. Keep it playing, keep it pushing, keep them guessing, keep them looking. Keep my people out the booking, cause we legendary. I just talk it how I live it. If I said it, then I meant it. If I did it, then I did it, cause it's necessary. Keep it G and keep it true to you. Just act like this ain't new to you. I treat it like it's usual, we legendary. I just get it how I live it. If I said it, then I meant it. If I did it, then I did it, cause it's necessary. Look, all my niggas fresh up out the